Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of freshly ground coffee beans, the hiss of steam, and the promise of a perfect espresso shot waiting for you. That's exactly what the De'Longhi La Specialista Maestro Espresso machine brings to your kitchen, a cafe-quality experience without stepping out of your home. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a coffee enthusiast just starting your espresso journey, this machine promises to elevate your coffee-making ritual. In a market flooded with hybrid espresso machines, the La Specialista Maestro stands out by offering a unique blend of manual control and automated convenience. It's not just another espresso machine, it's a sophisticated tool designed to help you craft the perfect cup, whether you're pulling a rich shot of espresso or frothing milk for a creamy cappuccino. So, is it worth the investment? Let's dive into what makes this machine special and why it might just be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Unboxing. Unboxing the La Specialista Maestro is a bit of a task due to its considerable size and weight, coming in at 35.2 pounds, 16 kilograms. The packaging is well thought out, with a lift-out cardboard insert that makes removing the machine easier than expected. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the machine itself, single and double espresso filter baskets, a tamper, milk jug, cleaning accessories, and a quick start guide. The water tank and drip tray are pre-installed, so setup is minimal once you get it on your counter. One thing to note is that the machine's water tank is located at the back, which could be inconvenient if you plan on placing it under low kitchen cabinets. However, once unboxed and set up, the machine is ready to go after a quick system flush. The Quick Start Guide makes this process simple and straightforward. Design. The design of the La Specialista Maestro is nothing short of premium. It's a stunning combination of brushed stainless steel and black accents that give it a professional look. The machine has a large footprint, 14.48-inch L x15W x 17.5H, so it will take up significant counter space. However, its aesthetic appeal makes it worthy of being a centerpiece in any kitchen. On the left side of the machine is where all the coffee bean processing happens: grinding, dosing, and tamping. The right side is dedicated to espresso extraction and milk frothing. The layout is intuitive with clearly labeled buttons and dials for easy navigation. A monochromatic LCD display provides real-time feedback on brewing settings like temperature and grind size. One standout design feature is the smart tamping station located on the side of the grinder. This lever-based system ensures consistent tamping pressure without making a mess, a great feature for those who struggle with manual tamping. Specifications. Dimensions: 14.48-inch L x15W x 17.5H. Weight: 35.2 pounds, 16 kilograms. Water tank capacity: 67 fluid ounces, 2 liters. Pump pressure: 19 bars. Boilers: dual thermoblock boilers. Grind settings: 8 adjustable levels. Portafilter size: 51 millimeters. Milk frothing options: manual steam wand and automatic latte crema system. The dual boiler system allows for simultaneous brewing and steaming, a feature typically found in commercial-grade machines. The grinder offers 8 levels of adjustment, giving you flexibility over grind size depending on your coffee beans. Performance. Espresso quality. The espresso quality from this machine is exceptional once you dial in your settings correctly. Using Delonghi's proprietary Dynamic Pre-Infusion technology, the machine wets the coffee grounds before extraction to ensure even saturation. This results in well-balanced shots with rich crema. The built-in conical burr grinder offers 8 grind settings that allow for fine-tuning based on your preferences or coffee bean type. I found that medium dark roasts worked best with this machine, producing full-bodied shots with complex flavors. One of the most impressive features is the smart tamping station. After grinding your beans directly into the portafilter, you pull down a lever to tamp them automatically. This ensures consistent pressure every time without making a mess, a huge time saver for beginners who might struggle with manual tamping. Cold brew feature. A unique feature of this machine is its ability to make cold brew using Delonghi's cold extraction technology. Unlike traditional cold brew methods that require hours of steeping, this machine can produce cold brew in just 2 minutes by using room temperature water under low pressure. While some purists might argue that it's not true cold brew due to the lack of steeping time, I found that it delivered smooth results with less acidity than hot brewed coffee poured over ice. Milk frothing. The La Specialista Maestro offers 2 milk frothing options, an automatic latte crema system and a manual steam wand. The latte crema system is perfect for those who want convenience. It automatically froths milk to your desired texture, flat white, cappuccino foam levels, at the touch of a button. For those who prefer more control over their milk froth, or want to practice latte art, the manual steam wand provides excellent flexibility. It's powerful enough to create silky micro foam but does require some practice if you're aiming for professional level results. Ease of use. Despite its many features, this machine strikes an excellent balance between automation and manual control. Beginners will appreciate how forgiving it is thanks to features like smart tamping and preset drink options, but experienced users will enjoy tweaking parameters like grind size, dose level, temperature settings, and pre-infusion time. The interface includes 6 preset drink options: espresso, cappuccino, long black, coffee, flat white, latte, making it easy to brew popular drinks quickly without much fuss. However, if you want more control over your brew process or prefer experimenting with different beans or roasts, you can easily adjust these settings manually via dials on the front panel. That said, there is still a learning curve when it comes to dialing in your perfect shot, especially if you're new to espresso machines, but once you get it right, consistency becomes second nature. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning the La Specialista Maestro requires regular attention due to its many components, especially if you use both milk frothing systems frequently. Fortunately, Delonghi has made this process relatively painless by including self-cleaning functions for both milk systems, automatic rinse cycles. However, you'll still need to disassemble parts occasionally for deep cleaning, particularly around areas like the portafilter holder or drip tray where coffee grounds tend to accumulate over time. Delonghi provides cleaning tools such as brushes designed specifically for these tasks. Descaling should be done regularly depending on your water hardness level. The machine comes with a test strip. Delonghi recommends using their eco-decoct solution instead of vinegar, as vinegar can leave behind strong odors or affect taste quality in future brews. Common issues. While most users report positive experiences with this machine, particularly regarding espresso quality, there are some common issues worth noting. 1. Grinder problems. Some users have reported issues with the grinder jamming or being noisy during operation. This can often be resolved by ensuring that only high-quality beans are used. Avoid oily or caramelized beans. 2. Water leakage. A few customers have mentioned minor water leakage from nozzles or drip trays. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help mitigate these issues. 3. Large footprint. The size of this machine may be prohibitive for smaller kitchens. Its height also makes accessing rear components like the water tank more difficult if placed under cabinets. So, should you buy it? The Delonghi C9665M La Specialista Maestro Espresso machine offers an exceptional blend of automation and manual control that caters to both beginners looking for ease of use and experienced baristas who enjoy fine-tuning their espresso shots. Its standout features include dual boilers for efficient brewing/steaming cycles, smart tamping technology that ensures consistent results every time, versatile milk frothing options, and an innovative cold brew setting that delivers surprisingly good results in just minutes. While its large footprint may not suit all kitchens and its price point may be steep for some budgets, those who invest in this machine are unlikely to be disappointed by its performance or versatility. Whether you're pulling espressos or crafting lattes with silky micro foam or even experimenting with cold brew, the La Specialista Maestro delivers consistently excellent results across various brewing styles.